And folks, it warmed up and the humidity is back in the valley. Temperatures this afternoon, look at that, 90 right now in McAllen and in Rio Grande City. Drops off pretty quickly though. 85 at Edinburgh, 83 Weslaco, and then 70s in Raymondville, Harlingen, Port Isabel. Brownsville kind of hanging in there at 81 degrees. So big contrast across the area this afternoon. We'll kind of level out tonight as we all drop down to the low 70s for your lows. About 70 at the beach, 71 in Brownsville, low to mid 70s as you move westward across the valley. And then tomorrow's highs, again, cooler at the beach, about 74, but everybody else into the 80s. So if you're looking for a spring break with natural air conditioning, the island is the place to go. Everybody else in the 80s tomorrow. Could be some 90s out here in the ranch country. A little windier tomorrow than today. Southeast winds 15 to 25 with gusts likely to over 30 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. Normal high 79. We're going to beat that each of the next 3 days, but not by as much on Thursday. Our high Thursday probably about 81. We'll get to that in a moment. Clouds overhead. There's some breaks out there right now. You saw them from Sky 5 earlier. Clouds will be there into the evening and probably all night long. Patchy fog along the coast again during the daytime tomorrow. I think we see some sunshine. A warm afternoon across the region once again. Windy tomorrow, and that's about it. Wednesday, I think we see some sunshine again, and I think Thursday, then we watch. The front's going to sneak in Thursday. With that front, you saw a couple of showers maybe ahead of it. May clear out for a time late Thursday, but I think the clouds will build back in for Friday, and with that, our rain chances will sneak back in, but never a big chance of rain. 10, 20, 30 the next 3 days, mainly spotty stuff. I think tomorrow's a dry day, but tomorrow night maybe a sprinkle. Isolated stuff Wednesday, and then maybe a spotty shower on Thursday, but none of those days do we expect just an all-day rain event. That's just not likely to happen with this front that's coming through. 81 right now, Brownsville, 80 in Falfurrias, Corpus Christi 76, and then only 69 in San Antonio. So you get into central and north Texas, a jacket required. Wow, we don't need anything like that down here. Dallas is 60, Lubbock only 47 at this hour. It's a big state and a big contrast across the state. Some showers out in West Texas as well today. A lot of clouds pretty much from here all the way to Dalhart. It's about as cloudy as it can be. A front stalled right in the middle of the state. That front came through the valley, turned around, went right back to the north, and it's pushing the warm air north over the next day or two. We're sharing our heat with the rest of the state, but tomorrow, 11 o'clock in the morning, it's about in the middle of the state. So North Texas cool, South Texas warm. Front continues pushing northward, then another one makes its way across the state. That may trigger some big-time thunderstorms as it moves across the state. For us, probably not much. The front's not here yet on Wednesday, although it may try to come in and stop and back up for a little while because we need kind of a secondary push of cooler air to come in, and that will happen on Thursday with, again, maybe a shower or two. Cooler air will build in behind that front, and then we'll only be in the 60s for the end of the week and for the weekend. So we got a stair step down Friday, Thursday into Friday. Southeast winds at the coast 15 to 25 knots. The bay is rough. UV is very high. The bay temperature 69, the surf 65, so that's come way up from last week at this time. Seas, though, still at 5 to 10 feet. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather, the forecast for tonight calls for mostly cloudy skies, a little patchy fog later, especially at the coast, a low of 70. Then tomorrow some clouds and fog early, windy and warm in the afternoon, an average high of 87 degrees. Southeast winds 15 to 25. 87, 90, and then Thursday is kind of our transition day up to about 81. Could be a brief shower when that front comes through, and then maybe some drying behind it. Still could be a spotty shower on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, there you go, celebrating with the green on Sunday. Windy and cool, breezy with a shower, but certainly cooler for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday than what we're going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That is your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.